Welcome to your MyCAP dashboard. So today we're going to go through two of the features that you're going to use when you're a senior in high school. You've gotten into your colleges, yay! And you want to be able to analyze the financial aid award letters and see if you got a good deal and if you should appeal. So what you want to do is come down to the translate and compare feature along the left. And what you're going to do is upload your financial aid award letter. So you want to hit add offer, and then you're going to type in the college, and it comes up, college or university, and then you're going to upload this file. You need to do this piece. So you click on select file, go grab it from your computer. You want to have that saved, and then it's going to upload. So there it is. And then the next piece is you want to click on transfer offer letter. So success, it uploaded. It's all good. You're done. It's translated your award. And you see here that there's a little message that tells you if anything didn't translate right, you can always go in and manually adjust that in here. You can see that it put the need-based grants, the merit, and also any direct federal student loans that were on the award letter. So you're all set here. You need to save it. That's the next piece. And now you see it here, and you can see the three schools that we have here and their remaining costs. Now, the next piece is to see if you got a good deal and if you should appeal, and high level why. But I want to point out a couple things before we go to the evaluate and appeal. In order for this piece to work, you need to make sure that you have the schools on your dashboard. So you see here that I do have Wittenberg, and I do have Miami University and Boston University. The other thing you need to make sure is that your profile up here in the top right corner is 100% complete. If that says 80 or 90%, what you're going to need to do is click on it and hit edit, and the areas that need to be addressed will be highlighted. And you need to go answer those and hit save, and then you'll see that it says 100% complete. If it's not 100% complete, the evaluate and appeal section will not be able to work. So make sure you've got it on your dashboard and your profile is 100% completed. So now let's go down here to evaluate and appeal. It'll automatically show up. So you see Wittenberg is here. All three schools are here. And you can see what information we're providing. Here's the net cost. Then it shares what we projected from your dashboard and then what the difference is. And we tell you the chances on appeal. This is a very strong appeal. Miami's a strong, and Wittenberg is less likely. And then we give you some information as to why here. So Boston University, the amount awarded is an issue. The methodology could be part of it. Family considerations. So if you have multiple kids, divorced or separated, that's going to be a trigger that you might want to consider appealing depending on the school. And then sometimes it'll pop up about unique circumstances. This family, one of the parents is self-employed, so that's why that's popping up. So this will pop up based on your family's specific situation. So you won't necessarily get all of these. So what you're going to see is very strong, likely, or less likely, or we don't think you should appeal. So this is this feature. We're super excited to bring this to you, and we really hope that this supports you in this step of the process. And as always, happy planning.